So we're looking at homes. We found it. We wrote an offer. We're structuring an offer. Let's even back up a little bit. We're structuring an offer on a home. We're working side by side with you. Hey, what do we need? Do we need closing costs? So on and so forth. How can we structure this offer the best that we need? Do we need to ask for additional seller concessions so that we can do a rate buy down and get them into a better monthly payment? There's a lot of factors that come into stuff when structuring that offer. Um, so let's say we've submitted the offer, we've got our pre-approval letter, we've submitted it with it, we're in love with the house. Um, and I call you, Brian, and I go, hey, we're under contract. We got a house. We send you over the purchase and sale agreement. Clients are stoked and excited. They're paying their earnest money.
Mm-hmm.
And then what's happening lending wise?
You're approved, and you're going to buy the house the next day. No,
Yeah.
we have a few steps here, and I tell people, look, this can be like flying on an airplane. The flight can go great. There could still be turbulence.
Yep.
That just means the mortgage process, and I try to get people laughing. I'm like, buying a house is exciting. If I'm honest, one of the worst parts is probably the mortgage process, because we've got to get some
I
documentation
can
around.
argue that just there's other
Yeah,
sides that are scary, but yeah.
right. But I've got to get some extra pay stubs, and we've got to document some things, because look, we're about to give you. Imagine someone writing a check for $300,000 or for $400,000.
Yeah.
The bank is cutting you that check, and they can't just give it to you without, number one, confirming the collateral is worth what it's worth. So that's where we order the appraisal and all of that. And then they also want to make sure that the borrower who is going to be paying for the loan is not going to just not make their monthly payments one day and cost the bank a lot of money. So anyways, we have to run through underwriting and underwrite the file.